Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore the settings to default in Call of Duty Mobile. So let's say, for instance, you messed around with the settings and you'd like to restore them back to default. It's quite a simple process. So all you have to do is launch the game on your device and get to this homepage. And then from here, simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. And then from the settings icon, or from the settings page rather, all you have to do is tap on this default button. So tap on it, and then you should get to this page. Now from here, you can choose the settings that you'd like to reset to default. So be it the controller, quick message, and vehicle settings, or you can decide to select all by selecting all, or you can just choose the specific ones that you'd like to reset. So let me just select the controller. Once you have chosen the option you prefer, simply tap on OK. And then you'll have to confirm this. Are you sure you want to reset these changes? Simply tap on OK. And the settings will be reset back to default. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.